World oil prices are holding steadily high, with the Brent oil closing at $62 per barrel on Monday. The bullish momentum for the oil quotes will remain during the day. After a long weekend, the ruble is trading firmly high against the US dollar and is expected to reach the target of 63 in the nearest future. A possible progress in the US-China trade talks has supported the oil market. However, the Phase 1 agreement has not been signed yet, and a possible failure of the trade deal is raising fears among traders. It seems that both market participants and Chinese authorities do not fully trust Donald Trump and his ability to follow the conditions of any agreement. These concerns will continue to weigh on oil prices. Oil has opened today's session trading in the negative territory. Brent crude oil has hit the level of $62 and moved further up. Oil's decline below $60 will strengthen the bearish sentiment. The ongoing events in the southern province of Iraq can serve as a positive factor for the oil quote's growth. Iraqi oil industry workers began to join anti-government protests. Although the oil production in the country has not been affected yet, there are high risks of drop in oil supply. Today, oil traders will be closely watching the initial public offering of Saudi Arabia's state oil company, Saudi Aramco. Earlier, Saudi authorities have officially announced that the shares of the company will be offered at the local stock exchange. The Russian currency has significantly advanced against its main counterparts, including the US dollar. The ruble was supported by lack of any negative news and traders' positive attitude towards risk. On Tuesday, the dollar-ruble pair continued the downward trend, settling at around 63.25. Amid rising oil and revived hopes for a positive outcome of US-China trade deal, the ruble is expected to strengthen against the US dollar and to go above the level of 63. The ruble can also get support from the internal factors. Currently, there are speculations that the Russian Ministry of Finance is planning to reduce the volume of foreign currency purchases it's making now with the oil and gas revenues. The remaining funds will be spent on economic needs. No significant macroeconomic data is expected this week. Investors' optimism may be enough to keep the ruble high during the week. Today, the Russian market will consider the recent events and the revenue reports from the companies. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.